Want to know what the Vader could mean for your household? Here's how to use our Vader tax calculator. Start by visiting the Huffman ISD website. At the top of the home page, click the Vader button to go directly to our Vader information page. Once you're there, look at the right side of the page for the Vader tax calculator. For this demonstration, I'm going to use $321,459, the average home value in Huffman ISD. I'll enter that amount as the appraised home value. If you have a homestead exemption, make sure you check this box. The calculator will automatically apply the $140,000 homestead exemption, leaving a taxable value of $181,459 in our example. Now click Calculate. The calculator shows the estimated Huffman ISD property tax under both scenarios. A tax rate of $1.0637 per $100 of taxable value if the Vader passes, and $1.0337 if the Vader fails. For our average home value example, the estimated difference is approximately $54.44 per year, or about $4.54 per month. Remember, this calculator provides an estimate. Your actual taxes will depend on your property's taxable value and the exemptions you qualify for. We encourage you to visit our website and use the calculator for your own home and to learn more about the 2026 voter approval tax rate election.